A number of our customers have asked us about LED lighting for their recessed lighting applications. We're going to show you today a recessed lighting module that works in just about any 6-inch or 5-inch recessed lighting fixture, either existing or new. We waited a long time before we presented this product because we wanted to get something that really worked well in 99.9% of the applications. We wanted something that was super energy-wise, very bright, dimmable, and something you could even use in wet locations like shower stalls. So here we go. This is a standard 6-inch baffle trim with a 65-watt incandescent R bulb in it. And we're going to take this light fixture and we're going to retrofit it to a brand new LED. So here are the steps. First of all, reach up and unscrew the light bulb. And one of the things you'll notice right away is that air can escape around the light bulb into the housing and into your attic unless you have an airtight recessed lighting housing. In this older one, we don't. And we've solved the problem with the new LED fixture by making it airtight. So we're going to remove this trim by simply undoing the springs here on the inside. Little spring goodies here. There's the springs. And we're going to take this away and put it aside. What you have left here is a 6-inch typical housing. This 6-inch housing has a socket plate, and the socket is attached to the socket plate with some small compression springs here on the side. The housing has what some of the old timers call ears or torsion spring clips, and the torsion springs on a lot of the popular and heavier trims, as well as the LED module we're putting in today, they're going to go right in this clip, and we're going to show you how in just a minute. And the housing also has here a wing nut, which is adjustable. And one important thing is never loosen it all the way, because if you do, you'll lose the nut inside the attic. So loosen it just enough where the wing nut will slide down through this hole here in the socket plate. And that's really important. It'll allow you to remove the socket plate, which we're going to do right now. All right, we're going to remove the socket plate by loosening the wing nut. And like I mentioned before, we're going to just bring it right here to the edge. We're not going to take it all the way off. We're going to grab the plate, and if you notice, the little wing nut is going to go right through that hole. There we go. Now the socket plate is loose, turning it sideways. I'm going to reach behind it, push in the clips, and remove the socket from the socket plate. So now that I have a free hanging socket, I'm going to show you how to put on and install the new LED module for energy efficiency. It's very simple to do. The module comes with this little adapter, and this is important because we can also use the module in housings that are designed only for LED use. And those housings are designed for Title 24 requirements. And we have another video on just that, Title 24 California LED requirements. But for this installation in a retrofit example, we're going to take the socket and simply screw it in here. And now we have this special connector, and we're going to take the connector and we're going to connect it here to the back of the LED module. And this module is all one piece, which makes it really good for being both airtight and for use in wet locations. As you can see, air cannot escape up through where the light bulb is. And this is a 14-watt LED, puts out 620 lumens, and it's equivalent to about a 65-watt incandescent bulb, just like the one we removed from this housing just minutes ago. Okay, we have the socket here screwed in. We have the adapter in place. We're just going to push this together, and now we're going to take the LED module. And I mentioned earlier that torsion springs need to go into the clips inside the housing. So I'm just going to push them in here with my fingers, and I'm going to put them down here inside the housing. And once the torsion springs are in place, and here you can get a look here from this side. Oh, also one more note, we're going to take this wire here and a screwdriver, and this is the ground wire, and we're going to take it here inside the housing and attach it here on the inside with this little screw. Once the ground wire is attached and the torsion springs are in their place, take the LED module and just push it right up into the ceiling. And now we have a sealed unit. Air cannot get in water cannot get in. Perfect for bathroom applications or anywhere around the house where you want bright, powerful, but energy efficient LED lighting.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.